Watermelon is one of the distinctive fruits that must be taken to eat, because it provides the body with an abundant amount of water, which prevents thirsty feeling, as well as its health benefits because it contains important vitamins and minerals that compensate the body when decreasing. It contains a high content of water which helps to moisturize the body and replace it with the fluids it requires. It is important for kidney patients to eat watermelon, as it helps get rid of harmful toxins that may harm the kidneys. Eating watermelon is important to keep skin healthy and hydrated. It protects against constipation because it contains important natural fibers to prevent constipation. Stroke prevention, this is because it gives the body full hydration. It helps to feel full and full, which protects against hunger during the day. It protects against heart disease as it contains lycopene, which helps reduce the level of harmful cholesterol, heart problems and vascular diseases. Important for overweight people, as it helps to lose weight quickly. Careful eating watermelon helps reduce the pain that affects the muscles, and this is because it contains the substance amino acid, which is an amino acid that reduces muscle pain, as well as its role in improving blood circulation and helping to relax the blood vessels. Watermelon contains antioxidants, including vitamin C and lycopene, which help protect the skin from external factors that are exposed to the sun, and also help to prevent the signs of wrinkles and maintain the freshness of the skin.